In this video, I'll detail how to use less data on iPhone on iOS 18. So if your iPhone consumes most of your data without knowing what is happening, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily fix this on your iPhone on iOS 18. So with this, your iPhone will start consuming less data, and then this will even make the battery last longer. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To do this, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and click on mobile service. And if you see cellular service here, go ahead and click on that. Then once you selected mobile service, locate cellular data or mobile data, and then underneath it, click on mobile data options. Now once you selected that, then come down here and locate the data mode. Then click on that. Under data mode, there are three options available here. You have allow more data on 5G, use standard data, and low data mode. Mark you, while on low data mode, this helps to reduce mobile data usage by pausing automatic updates and background tasks. So with the standard mode on your iPhone on iOS 18, it allows automatic update and background tasks on mobile data, but limit video and FaceTime quality. So this is going to reduce your FaceTime quality. And if we use allow more data on 5G, this is going to allow more than your 5G, which may prefer 5G to Wi-Fi, and use it for software updates, automatic high cloud backup, and higher quality media. So this is going to boost your video and FaceTime quality while using allow more data on 5G. Now, to use less data on your iPhone on iOS 18, just turn on low data mode, and that is it. So this is going to reduce the amount of data you consume on your iPhone on iOS 18. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.